Components of ScratchJr window. The ScratchJr window has the following main components. Save. It takes us to the home page and saves the project. Presentation mode. It expands the stage to the full screen. Stage. It is the area where action takes place in the project. Plus button. It is used to add a new character. Character. It is an actor which acts on the stage. Change background. It changes the background of the stage. Green flag. It starts all programming scripts that begin with the Start on green flag block. Undo and redo. Undo button reverses the last action and redo button reverses the last undo. Reset characters. It resets all the characters to their starting position on stage. Block categories. To select a category of programming blocks, triggering blocks, yellow, motion blocks, blue, looks blocks, purple, sounds blocks, green, control blocks, orange, and end blocks, red. Blocks palette. List of blocks under the selected block category. Programming area. It is the area where we drag blocks to create scripts.